Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, recently I've been getting a lot of questions regarding iNeuron internship and many people were actually asking, Krish, what are the prerequisites before we join the iNeuron internship? So in this particular video, I'm going to cover all these things and definitely I'll tell you who are the people who needs to apply for this particular internship. Now understand the purpose why this internship was started and why this internship was made open to all. Okay. Now iNeuron internship is all about, helping out people who do not have any experience in data science. And if you really want to get that specific experience, only the thing that you have to do is solve projects. Yes, many people are solving different kind of projects, but yet they are not getting any kind of experience from that, the real world experience, because the projects that you are actually solving, it is completely way different than the real world projects that we actually do in the company. So that is the reason why iNeuron came up with this particular internship, and it has been made open to all. And one more thing, this is to help out people who have career gaps also. Now there is a person, after probably completing his education, he went to do his further preparation, probably in some government exams, some different kind of exams. He could not do it due to some reasons, due to some medical problem, due to some family problem, due to something. So if he wants to start his career in the IT industry and probably is interested to become a data scientist, for him or her, this particular internship will also be helpful, because the time, the effort that you're putting it in this particular internship in solving the project, based on that you will also be getting your offer letter and experience letter, right? And experience letter will only be given once you complete the projects. Now many people have asked, Chris, then what are the prerequisites? What are the prerequisites probably you need to have in order to start the internship, right? So let me just go inside this and probably sign in. So I'm just going to sign in over here, and here you can see over here. Now in this internship altogether, the main aim is to complete end-to-end projects, right? It may be with respect to machine learning, deep learning, it may be with respect to business intelligence. So what is the prerequisite by this? You need to be good at Python programming language, because there are no R programming language projects as such. Python programming language, end-to-end machine learning project, end-to-end deep learning project, end-to-end NLP projects. There may be various domains altogether. Now suppose if I go and click on start a new project, and suppose I want to select one thing, probably I'm interested in NLP, right? I suppose I'll go and select, probably I've been working in the domain as banking and finance, and probably I want to go and probably click on document tagging, right? Now in this, just go and check out the project over here. Then only you'll be able to understand what are the prerequisites, right? Otherwise you'll not be able to understand what are the prerequisites. Now in document tagging, you require NLP and machine learning. That is clearly given to you over here. What are the technologies that is required? The domain knowledge that you require is finance. What is the difficulty of this particular project? Advanced. So that basically means a person who has just recently learned machine learning and probably have not done any end-to-end projects should not be going ahead with this particular project for the internship. Otherwise you will just face difficulty in order to complete it, right? So over here you can see the problem statement. So here you really need to have good amount of knowledge in NLP, in machine learning. Then over here Python project is there, and Python should just not be the Jupyter notebook Python where you're writing codes. It should be a modular code. Probably you need to have good amount of knowledge with respect to object oriented programming. And this is the real type of internship, because we are trying to match this with good companies. Because I've seen people who are doing internship in companies, right? And the type of level, the type of coding that they'll be doing will be there. There will be a team. And here also we are providing you the team. If you are facing any difficulties in understanding problem statement, in understanding something, you can drop us a mail at query@ineuron.ai. That is already given over here. All the information is given over here. Let me just show you. Suppose if you go and see the terms and condition over here, see, you can actually drop your mail over here, internship@ineuron.ai, right? You can ask any kind of questions that you want regarding that particular project. Don't tell me that, Krish, you need to solve that particular project. No. Okay. Now one very basic common question from people. right? And again, see guys, you have to see this particular project details, then automatically you'll get to know that what are the prerequisites. Now in this particular case, if I want to tell you NLP and machine learning is there, you need to be very, very good at Python programming language. You need to have some cloud knowledge. You need to have some database knowledge, right? The cloud knowledge like AWS, Azure or GCP, any of them is fine. API knowledge, so you probably need to have practiced API, probably with Flask framework, Django framework, anything, right? So in this way, try to see this entire thing, and you will get to know about the prerequisite. Now suppose if I go and select a new project, in this probably I want to go with deep learning, right? Suppose I have selected banking, I have selected this one, and probably I'm going to the description link of the project now. Now see, in deep learning, what do you require? Deep learning computer vision. It is clearly written. That basically means you have to probably work in CNN, ANN, RNN based on the problem statement. Probably in object detection. You have to create a data set of KYC documents of your own. So again, here also database knowledge is required, little bit of database, because all those information you'll be trying to store it. Specifically over here, Cassandra is given, right? Then you have cloud, right? And don't worry, Cassandra tutorials will also be uploaded in my channel very soon, okay? API details, logging, everything is same, ops pipeline. And for this, to help you out all these things, we have also given the sample link. If you go and see how the HLD documents needs to be created, everything is given over here, right? You just have to reuse it. Probably you may be thinking, Krish, what about code then? So project sample code is also given, guys. See, project sample code is also given. This is how the code should look like. Now, how you should prepare this particular code? For that, you have to learn, guys. Okay, so first you have to learn proper data science, proper machine learning that is matchable to the industrial standards. If it is not matchable, even though you clear interview, you'll face a lot of difficulties when you go to the company, right? So that is the reason why in iNeuron also we make sure that we teach our students in this similar way, that they create the project in this way itself, right? And many people have done it. Recently, when we started this internship, many people have submitted this solution. Many people, and it has got approved. And they have done some amazing work with respect to the code. Now see this. Suppose, and again, why I'm telling you guys, just understand, okay, if you are learning data science, okay, and if you are not able to do the projects over here, trust me, okay, that basically means you have not learned data science properly, okay. Probably you are lagging in coding, you are lagging in something, okay. Now you go and see over here in view project. There is one more thing. Many people have said, Krish, how do we, like suppose I am the only person, how do I make sure that probably I want some help, I also want to make other people join? Just pass this particular link, guys. That's it. Once you pass this link, this is the project invite link. Okay, you just go and copy and paste it in the LinkedIn, or probably you just try to invite someone in LinkedIn. And if they agreed with you to solve this particular project, you can give this particular link. As soon as they click this link, they have to sign up, and here also their name will be visible. That's it. So these are some of the prerequisites. I'm telling you guys, if you think that in the internship you'll only be made to do EDA, trust me, that will not be possible. Because I have seen in companies, I've worked with multiple companies where internship, they take people from different colleges like IITs, IIMs and all. What we are doing, we are trying to open it to all. Why IITs and IIMs? Everybody can do the internship, right? Everybody has that equal rights to do the internship, right? And if you perform well, guys, iNeuron will also do the hiring for you all. If you impress us by creating an amazing end-to-end project, we are very much happy to hire you directly. And that has actually happened. We hire people who perform well in this kind of things. We do a lot of activities. We do not check which degree you have, which college degree you have, what things you have, how much marks you have, minimum 60%, 70%, nothing. Okay. We just see that what kind of work you can actually do. So I hope you like this particular video. These are some of the prerequisites. Please make sure that you always check the documentation of the project. And if you face any kind of problems, make sure that you drop a mail. So again, the internship link will be given in the description of this particular video. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one all. Bye-bye.